Hey everyone, and welcome to today's video. Today I want to talk to you about messenger bots, chat bots inside your customer experience um, journey. And I'm not going to go into the detail of how to set up a messenger bot, at least not in this video. Maybe I'll do a video about that a little later on, but because it does yeah, you do need a certain level of experience already with a messenger bot in order to set it up correctly. So I'm not going to go into that. If you do want more information on how to do it, or if you want someone to do it for you, let me know. Um, I do have a certain level of knowledge on messenger bots that I can help and can set something up, but I also know people who can do that. So um, feel free to let me know below if that's something that you're interested in. Um, about the messenger bots and customer experience. I think a messenger bot is a good um, addition to your customer experience. It's not a replacement, and you should never treat it like a replacement, but it can assist. It can help you maximize your customer experience if done correctly. Um, One of the first things that I always say is make sure that if you are implementing a messenger bot, make sure that the person chatting with that bot knows that it's chatting to a bot and not a human. Most of the time people know, and even a very intelligent bot, people will figure out that it's not a human. Um, but I always feel that it's a good thing for people to know if you're that they're chatting to a bot, so that they don't expect something that they're not going to get. The other thing is that with a bot, you can make it very elaborate. You can do add a lot of information to it, a lot of sequences and all of that. Um, but I feel that if you're not a huge company, that it's not necessary. You can do a very basic level bot that's just there to, catch people that comment you, so that you don't have to messenger with everyone. So just a bot saying, welcome to my page, how can I help you? Um, or maybe something like, what are you looking for? Do you want to contact to the business owner, or do you want to um, view this and this and that? Or do you want to have more information about this and that? And then have the options that they can select or click on a button to go to certain areas. If they want to talk to a human, just have a bot and then put in a message or a sequence that it goes to you directly, so that you can pick it up afterwards. But it can be like a little safety net of the people that want to connect, don't know exactly how to scroll through your page, and have a question and want to know more, that they could be redirected. It can also just be that they want to contact you. So that way you've already caught a few of them, and that saves you time in replying, like, okay, you need to go to that page, or you need to find that, or I don't do that, or whatever. If you want to have a little bit more assistance, like if you're getting a ton of questions about the same thing every single day, you can even put that in your bot. It's a little bit, yeah, more detailed, and also a little bit more expensive, because you need a little bit more functionality. But you can even program certain answers that can be that the bot itself goes to when a person contacting them types in a certain word. So if, for example, you get a lot of questions about your opening hours, and you can put in like a catchword, opening hours, and then automatically the bot goes to a line that you have pre-programmed. My opening hours are from this and this and that day. Or which website can I use the best? And then it catches the word website, and then it goes to this and this website detail and all of that. So you can put in a bot at certain levels with a certain amount of knowledge and a certain amount of performance, depending on your business and the questions that you get a lot. You can build the bot however you want, or you can have a bot build however you want. But it will never, ever, ever, ever replace a human. So don't think that, oh, I'm going to invest in a good, solid messenger bot. Okay, I'm done with my customer experience, because that's never going to be the case. You always will be needed, because the business is you and not a bot, and a bot cannot really reply as a human does. Even a very intelligent one that are on the market right now, they can never replace you. So if you're interested in getting a messenger bot, let me know. Send me a DM or let me know below, and I'll get in touch with you. And we can see what it is exactly that you need, and if it's even going to work for you. Doesn't always work for every business. And then I'll either hook you up with one of my amazing friends who's able to do that, or even I can do that up to a certain level. So yeah, I hope this explains a little bit more. Like I said, I'm not going to go into detail at this time because it is quite elaborate and it is time consuming if you want to do it correctly and you've never done it before. So I hope this at least gives you a little bit of idea of how, what, where, and how to use it. And if you have any questions, let me know. I'm here for you, and I'll talk to you in the next video.